I'm Begmer Jaber. I work as a business development specialist at NuManufacturing. As NuManufacturing, we had a dream years ago. Then we made this dream our story. Istanbul is a very big and crowded city. Think about public transportation and the people who go to work in the morning and run home after work in the evening. What happens when public transport experiences maintenance issues? A big rush and long waiting times. This is an example of what we wanted to fix. NuManufacturing was established in 2022. With our solution Predictomatic 4X, we provide a data-based AI/ML platform that predicts maintenance needs and possible failures of systems from very early stages, and we provide efficient production cycles for all sectors and systems. This was only the beginning. We knew we shouldn't be walking this road alone. In 2022, we have received a monetary prize of 200,000 Turkish liras in the NuManufacturing Demo Day. This was very valuable for us. Until today, we have received an investment of $100,000 and reached to 3,500,000 Turkish liras in endorsement. Currently, we aim to expand our marketing resources both in Turkey and abroad while increasing our effect and sphere of influence in sustainability while providing our service for all sectors. I've made a difference because with the NuManufacturing program, I believe that we can find solutions for many sectors and their innovative technologies. Thank you EPDK and Eldar.